Hey, it's Dominique from Well Medical Arts, getting to show you something fun today. So yay, I get to plump up the earlobes. I'm gonna go ahead and ice. Tell me when you're good and cold.
That's probably good.
And then, as we age, they lose a little of their elasticity. And we can go in around, boop, tiny poke, good job. See that plump up beautifully? Yay, 1, 2. So nice. Yay, 1, 2. Beautiful. And go around any of the holes in a circle. And I'm doing hers just like I would want mine done. Plumped up good like a little baby earlobe, right? Now that did not take much, and then I'm gonna go ahead and smooth it out. Make sure that you don't see or feel any of the filler. And then we examine how well we got it and see if we need more in any of the areas. Better, let's do a little more right through here. Gonna go right under it actually. Keep going. A little bit more, right? Come on, baby. Coming right along. So fun. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me if you feel like you need a little more ice. That back line was being challenging. It's looking good though. Look at that. Okay, let's hold pressure for a second. And let's see if we can get these even more, even better. Good, I like it. Yeah, nice improvement. Those before and afters are gonna look great. I hope this makes you happy. We got it, last little bit. That looks beautiful. Let's smooth it out and take a look. I joke and say, plump them up like little baby earlobes.